Hey everyone! I recently dove into the world of toothpaste, specifically looking for the best options for receding gums and sensitive teeth. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your money. Let's get into my top 5 recommendations.
Product number 1. Boca Fluoride-Free Toothpaste, Mint. When I first opened the Boca Fluoride-Free Toothpaste, I was greeted by a refreshing mint scent that instantly perked up my spirits. This toothpaste proudly boasts a formula that includes nanohydroxyapatite, which is touted for its enamel care properties, something that caught my attention right away. I have sensitive teeth, and I often dread brushing because of the discomfort, but with Boca, I found my experience was gentle yet effective. The paste had a smooth texture that glided over my teeth, and I could feel the minty freshness lingering long after I finished brushing. One thing that stood out to me was its biocompatibility. It's free from fluoride, sulfates, and parabens, making it a safe choice for daily use. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Boca toothpaste is excellent for enamel care and offers a refreshing mint taste that doesn't overpower you. It also caters to those with sensitive teeth, which is a game changer. However, on the downside, if you're someone who prefers the traditional foaminess of toothpaste, you might find this paste a bit less satisfying. The absence of fluoride could also be a concern for some, as many still swear by its cavity-fighting abilities.
Product number 2, Boca Fluoride-Free Toothpaste in Ela Mint flavor. Next up, we have the Boca Fluoride-Free Toothpaste in Ela Mint flavor. Initially, I was skeptical of how different this could be from the previous one, but I was pleasantly surprised. The Ela Mint flavor offers a delightful twist with a hint of cardamom that makes brushing feel less like a chore. My experience was similar to the first Boca toothpaste, but this time the unique flavor profile made me actually look forward to brushing my teeth. The freshness was invigorating, and it felt like a mini spa treatment every time I used it. In terms of pros and cons, the flavor is definitely a standout. It's not something you find in regular toothpaste. The formula remains gentle, making it perfect for sensitive teeth. However, if you're not a fan of cardamom, this toothpaste might not be for you. Additionally, while it's effective, those who prefer the traditional taste of mint might find this flavor a bit unconventional. So, why should you consider this toothpaste? If you want to elevate your brushing experience and enjoy a fresh, unique flavor that also caters to your sensitive teeth, then Boca's Ela Mint is a fantastic option.
Product number 3, Sensodyne Pronamel Gentle Teeth Whitening Enamel Toothpaste. As someone who has dealt with enamel erosion, I was particularly interested in this product. Sensodyne has long been a trusted name for sensitive teeth, and this variant focuses on both whitening and enamel strengthening. When I squeezed some onto my toothbrush, the fresh mint flavor was immediately inviting. I found the texture to be slightly thicker compared to the Boca toothpaste, which gave a more traditional toothpaste feel. The pros include its dual action. It helps with sensitivity while also working to whiten teeth. I noticed a slight improvement in the brightness of my smile after consistent use. On the downside, it's priced higher than some alternatives, and some may feel it doesn't foam up enough for their liking. Why buy this toothpaste? If you're serious about protecting your enamel while also wanting to brighten your smile, Sensodyne Pronamel is a strong choice. It combines the best of both worlds, making it a go-to for those who face sensitivity issues.
Product number 4, Sensodyne Sensitivity and Gum Toothpaste. Next on the list is the Sensodyne Sensitivity and Gum Sensitive Toothpaste, which I found to be a great option for those dealing with gingivitis and sensitivity. As I started using this toothpaste, I was impressed by how it created a protective layer over my dentin, effectively shielding my nerves from potential triggers. The mint flavor was pleasant, not too overwhelming, and left my mouth feeling clean and fresh. Pros include its dual-action formula, which not only treats sensitivity, but also targets gum health, something I've struggled with. It effectively reduces inflammation and bleeding in the gums, which is a significant plus.
However, the cons are that some users might find the flavor to be too mild compared to other stronger mint options. So why should you consider this toothpaste? If you're dealing with both gum issues and sensitivity, this product might be just what you need. Its dual action benefits mean you're not just treating one issue, but addressing multiple concerns at once, making it a solid addition to your oral care routine. Product number 5, Sensodyne Toothpaste Sensitivity Gum and Enamel, which promises triple protection. After using this toothpaste, I quickly realized that it backed up its claims. The texture was creamy and it lathered well, which I appreciated. The mint flavor was refreshing without being overpowering, and it left my mouth feeling exceptionally clean. I noticed that my teeth felt stronger after just a few uses. In terms of pros, the long-lasting sensitivity protection is a significant benefit, and it also helps restore gum health while re-hardening enamel. However, on the flip side, some might find the price point to be a bit steep, especially since it comes in packs of 3. So why buy this toothpaste? If you want a product that not only addresses sensitivity, but also contributes to overall gum health and enamel strength, Sensodyne is a reliable choice. It's from a trusted brand and delivers on its promises, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking for comprehensive dental care. In conclusion, each of these toothpastes offers unique benefits tailored for those with receding gums and sensitive teeth. Whether you're looking for a refreshing new flavor or a product that strengthens enamel, there's something here for everyone. I hope this review helps you find the right toothpaste for your needs.